This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Miranda Blah. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain bogus kidori for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 01123978046 and 1075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. The External Affairs Ministry has asserted that Arunachal Pradesh has always been and will always remain an integral part of India. Responding to media queries and reports that China has renamed some places in Arunachal Pradesh in its own language, Ministry spokesman Arunachal Pradesh said assigning invented names to places does not alter this fact. He said this is not the first time that China has attempted such a renaming of places in the state. China has also sought to assign such names in Arunachal Pradesh in April 2017. The Armed Forces Special Powers Act AFSPA 1958 has been extended in Nagaland for 6 more months with effect from yesterday. In a notification issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs, it has been stated that the central government is of the opinion that the state of Nagaland is in a disturbed and dangerous condition and the use of armed forces in aid of civil power is necessary. The centre has declared the whole of the state of Nagaland to be a disturbed area for a period of 6 more months. The National President of Bharatiya Janata Party, J.P. Nadda, said that the youth are the future hope and power of this country and they are the pillar of New India. Mr. Nadda, who arrived at Imphal on a visit to Manipur yesterday, attended a youth rally at Kaching district. Speaking at the rally, he said that under the guidance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the northeastern states are becoming self-reliant. The Assam Agriculture Minister Atul Bora yesterday said that the state government has set a target to produce 10 lakh litres of milk daily. Mr. Bora said that to achieve this target, the Assam government would sign a treaty with the National Dairy Development Board soon. Meghalaya yesterday reported 30 new COVID-19 cases and 4 recoveries. Till yesterday, there were 61 active cases, while 83,272 persons had recovered from the virus. In Manipur, 17 people tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday, and the number of active cases was 190. 12 more COVID-19 patients were discharged after the recovery from health centers, the health department said. Members of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee paid homage to freedom fighter U Kiang Nangbah on his 159th death anniversary in Shillong yesterday. Different programs were also organized across Meghalaya on the occasion. U Kiang Nangbah was a freedom fighter from the Jaintia Hills who led an uprising against the British. He was hanged by the British publicly in Yamusyang in Jowai on 30th December 1862. A postage stamp was issued by the Government of India to commemorate him in 2001. Ahead of the New Year celebration, the East Khasi Hills Police in Meghalaya have resolved to tighten security arrangements in the entire district. The decision has been taken in order to keep a check on road mishaps and cases of reckless drunk driving, which usually become frequent during the New Year celebrations. Steps to guard against these incidents have already been taken by the police in Shillong. Adequate security arrangements are already in place and checking is being conducted in different parts of the city. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.